Today we'll be going over how to talk to a computer.
Hey, Code Operative here, helping you reach further faster in the programming world. If this is our first time meeting, welcome to the channel. The Code Operative channel is for developers of any level. This is a resource that will help you be confident in your skills and solutions. If that sounds appealing to you, hit the subscribe button, the bell, and keep watching to build those programming muscles every day. Alright, so the first thing we need to do before we can put all our great knowledge to good use is learn about the scanner class. So the scanner class is part of the JDK and it reads in information. So why that's useful to us is we can set it to listen to the console input, right? So now we're creating a scanner and we're setting it equal to new scanner. So this is syntax for creating a new object. So we have a new and then the class name scanner, and this particular class takes an input which we are it takes a parameter which we are providing as the console input stream. So now let's give ourselves a little prompt saying please type something, and we're gonna set a string equal to whatever the user types. So we're gonna say scan dot next line. So it's gonna grab everything up until the new line when somebody types something. And then we're just gonna say the user typed and then output. So now when we run this, we'll get a prompt saying please type something, and then we're gonna type the Code Operative is awesome. And it says the user type the Code Operative is awesome. So this accepted user input and printed it out. Those are the basics of the scanner class. Hope to see you in the next video.
So now you know how to take input from the user and read it into your program. So, question of the day. What are the problems that can arise once you introduce user input? Let me know in the comments below.